Alex, is that good? So you're Kim's I'm out. Say hi to Aunt Missy.
Just got a piece of it on
Momo. In the pregnant belly.
Turn this.
Just down, because I don't like that. I never want to see
Shelly wanted me to take a video to send to her. Say hi, Shelly.
Hi, Shelly.
I mean, he really ate that cake fast.
Because he's had done it before. He's even got it on his feet.
Oh, yeah.
It's on his feet? Oh, it is on his foot.
Make a fun.
Yeah, right. He wants more.
He does want more. He's looking for it.
Oh. He's like, that was a little piece.
This is the best strawberry cake ever.
Quit lying.
He hasn't had mine.